Top 8 Simple Morning Habits You Must Know to Stop Diabetes. Did you know that your morning habits could be the key to controlling diabetes? What you do first thing in the morning can make or break your blood sugar for the entire day. Stick around because today we're diving into 8 simple morning habits that could stop your diabetes in its tracks. Managing diabetes isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise. It starts with your morning routine. Believe it or not, the first couple of hours after you wake up play a huge role in how your blood sugar behaves throughout the day. In this video, we're going to break down the top 8 morning habits that you need to know to take control of your diabetes, and the best part? These habits are simple, easy to follow, and can make a big difference. Let's get started. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, plays a surprisingly significant role in managing blood sugar levels and supporting overall health. When you wake up at a consistent time, your body becomes attuned to a natural rhythm known as your circadian rhythm. This internal clock helps regulate key functions like hormone release, digestion, and metabolism, all of which affect blood sugar control. By aligning your body's natural cycles with your waking hours, you can improve glucose tolerance, meaning your body is more effective at processing sugar throughout the day. Research shows that our body's ability to handle glucose is better in the morning than in the evening. In fact, if you eat the same meal at different times of day, your blood sugar levels can spike much more dramatically in the evening. By sticking to a set wake-up time, you're essentially setting your body up for more effective sugar regulation right from the start of the day. Getting up at a consistent time also helps reinforce the habit of eating a healthy breakfast, which is crucial for blood sugar control. Skipping breakfast or eating at irregular times can disrupt your blood sugar balance and may contribute to weight gain or difficulty managing diabetes. Even small changes like a fixed wake-up schedule can make a big difference in your body's response to food, helping to prevent the blood sugar fluctuations that can occur when routines are inconsistent. Consistency is key. So aim to wake up at the same time every day to boost your body's natural rhythm and improve blood sugar regulation. This small change can set a positive tone for the rest of your morning routine and support better diabetes management throughout the day. 2. Test your blood sugar. Testing your blood sugar first thing in the morning is a crucial step in managing diabetes. This simple habit can have a significant impact on how you manage your condition throughout the day. By testing your blood sugar as soon as you wake up, you get a baseline reading that shows where your blood sugar stands before any food or activity affects it. This can help track blood sugar fluctuations and adjust meals, medication, and activity levels accordingly. The benefits of morning blood sugar testing go beyond just knowing your starting point. It helps in detecting patterns or trends in your blood sugar levels that might require attention. For instance, if morning readings are consistently high, it could be a sign that your evening insulin dose needs adjusting, or you may need to tweak your bedtime routine. This step also provides an opportunity to spot any unexpected fluctuations, especially if you're feeling unwell or have a change in routine. Regular testing can help you respond quickly and prevent larger issues later on. If blood sugar is too low or too high, corrective action can be taken immediately, such as eating a snack or adjusting medication. By consistently testing your blood sugar in the morning, it sets you up for a day of better blood sugar management, which can lead to fewer complications over time. If you're using a blood glucose meter, make sure to follow the correct steps to ensure an accurate reading. Wash hands thoroughly before testing to avoid contamination, and use fresh test strips to ensure accuracy. Recording morning results is also helpful for tracking progress and discussing trends with your healthcare team. 3. Eat a healthy breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast is one of the best things you can do to manage diabetes and keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Your breakfast should focus on a combination of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, which helps prevent sharp spikes or crashes in your blood sugar. Here's why it's so important. When you eat a breakfast rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, it slows down the digestion process. This means that glucose is absorbed into your bloodstream more gradually, which helps keep your blood sugar levels from spiking. For example, oatmeal with nuts and berries is a great option. The fiber in the oatmeal helps regulate blood sugar, while the nuts provide healthy fats and protein that keep you feeling full longer. You can also try a vegetable omelet, which is a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, or a smoothie with Greek yogurt and spinach, which delivers protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Skipping breakfast or choosing foods high in refined carbohydrates, like sugary cereals or pastries, can have the opposite effect. These foods cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish later on. Instead, focus on whole foods that provide lasting energy and support balanced blood sugar. The key is to combine the right ingredients that provide lasting energy and support blood sugar control. Fiber-rich foods, lean protein, and healthy fats should be your go-to choices. By starting your day with these types of foods, you'll set yourself up for better blood sugar control throughout the day and reduce your risk of complications related to diabetes. 4. Take your medication. Taking your medication on time is one of the most important habits in managing diabetes effectively. Whether you're on insulin or oral medications, staying consistent with your medication schedule can make a world of difference in your blood sugar control. By taking your medication at the same time each morning, you're helping your body maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is key to preventing dangerous fluctuations that can lead to complications. When medications are taken as prescribed, they work best by aligning with your body's natural rhythms. If you take your medication at varying times each day, it can throw off the effectiveness of the treatment. This may lead to blood sugar levels being either too high or too low, which can increase the risk of both short and long-term complications. Establishing a routine helps ensure that you're getting the right amount of medication when you need it. If you struggle to remember taking your medication, consider setting an alarm or linking it to a daily habit like having breakfast. This will not only help you stay on track, but it can also make the process easier and less stressful. And always keep in mind that if you experience side effects or have concerns about your medication, consult with your healthcare provider immediately. They can offer advice on adjusting your medication or treatment plan. Consistency, in this case, truly is the key to better diabetes management. 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is key to managing diabetes. Dehydration can cause blood sugar to become more concentrated, leading to spikes. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps hydrate your body, kickstart your metabolism, and support blood sugar control. Proper hydration also supports kidney function and reduces the risk of high blood sugar. Aim for at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water per day, adjusting based on your needs. Starting your day with water helps prevent dehydration, reduce cravings for sugary drinks, and boosts energy. 6. Exercise. Exercise is vital for diabetes management. It helps your muscles use glucose more effectively and improves insulin sensitivity. Exercising in the morning boosts your metabolism, helping regulate blood sugar for hours. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, like walking or cycling. Regular exercise also increases energy, improves mood, and supports weight management. Always check your blood sugar before and after exercise to ensure it stays within a safe range. Consistency is key to long-term diabetes control. 7. Plan your day. Planning your day can help you manage diabetes more effectively. Create a to-do list for meals, snacks, exercise, and appointments. This ensures you stay on track with balanced meals and prevent unhealthy food choices. Planning ahead makes managing diabetes easier and less stressful.